everybody, Dr. Singer here today to talk to you about how to do the IT band rollout. This is for the muscles, called the iliotibial band. It's a muscle that goes along the outer aspect of your leg. It goes from about your hip down to your knee. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You're going to want to find a foam roller at any department store, any area or online. And again, I like a medium thickness, medium firmness. You can find all different kinds of these, but you want to use this on your IT band. Again, twice a day would be ideal for this, finding areas that are having some adhesions in them. This will help relieve any kind of leg tension, lower back tension, etc. So let me show you how to do this. So you're going to place this on the ground, and you're going to get onto your side, extend your leg out, and then you want to start at the top of the IT band, which is right about here, and you're going to work. You can support your upper body with your arms here, and then literally just draw back and forth on that IT band. And this one's it's going to be pretty tender, so you want to make sure you breathe as you're doing this kind of exercise. If you find an area that's a little bit more tight or tender than other areas, you want to stop on that area and actually breathe through it. So you're going to hold there and just sit there and breathe until that tension starts to dissipate a little bit. And that might take 4 to 6 or 7 breaths. And just do it. And if, let's say you just can't tolerate, more than that, then just fine. You just kind of loosen up a little bit. You could take your other leg and kind of lighten up the load if that's too much pressure for you. So that's good. You could actually vary the amount of pressure that you're putting on your leg when you do this exercise. So back and forth, real simple. And that provides a really great adhesion release for the muscles in the IT band. This is such a good exercise to do. You could do it on both sides. Definitely want to do it on both sides twice a day. Enjoy.